Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha from Nesia Crochet, and today I am going to show you how we can make a bouquet blanket using sunflowers. Here I have attached stuffed sunflowers, not plain sunflowers, these are stuffed sunflowers. So let's begin. So we will use brown yarn, green yarn and yellow yarn for this. And for blanket I have already uploaded video while I was making rose blanket, so I will attach the description I will attach the link in the description for the video of how to make the blanket, right? So we will follow same pattern, and here I am making 40 inches big blanket. And for these sunflowers, just like we make normal sunflowers, we will make the sunflowers like that only, but here a little smaller than we make the sunflower stick. So for that I am making 10 I'm making magic ring and 10 double crochets in the magic ring. And once I'm done with 10 double crochet, I will do 2 double crochet on top of every double crochet. So in row 2 we will have 20 double crochets. So this is very simple, I think. And just like this we will make for 30 sunflowers. We are going to make total 30 sunflowers. So just like this we will make 30 brown pieces, round circles, and 30 circles in green color for the back side. And for front side I am making brown. So this is dark brown, I am not sure, it is looking like black in video. Now with for green back side also we will make 30 rounds. Same stitch would be there, magic ring, 10 double crochets, and on top of every double crochet there would be 2 double crochets. So total 20 double crochet in second round. And like this we will make 30 brown circles and 30 green circles for the back of the sunflower. Just like this. So I'm going to make 30 such, and once I'm done with it I'll meet you again. So here I am doing 10 double crochets first row and 20 double crochets in second row. So I am almost done with my 30 circles of green color, and this is how we will join the yarn. These are very simple but very time consuming. So if you are going to plan to make it for your customer and going to charge, so charge accordingly, because this entire bouquet blanket took me complete 13 hours to make. The 40 inches blanket and then these flowers, complete 13 hours. So accordingly you can charge to your customers. I don't know what is your speed, so accordingly you can charge. And now we will join both of these like this with yellow. People also do, like, if it is difficult for you to join it directly with the yellow leaves making, so you can simply join the circle and stuff it with one single crochet around the corners. But I am directly making the leaves by joining it, so for me it's very easy. Now we will simply use every 2 stitches while making the leaves. So in every single joining stitch we will make 2 double crochets, and in second also we'll make 2 double crochets. So we will the leaves we will begin with 3 chains, 2 double crochet in one stitch, taking both stitches of both the circles, like green and brown. And then again in second stitch we will do again 2 double crochet and then chain 3, and then join close the leaf to the same stitch by doing slip knot, just like this. All right, again chain 3, make 2 double crochets into one stitch, 2 double crochet in second stitch, taking loops of both the circles, right? And chain 3 again and join it in the same loop with a slip knot, slip stitch. All right, and in between only you can fill the sunflower with fiber or whatever filling you have. So just like this, we are done with our small sunflowers, not that big, not that tiny, just medium sized sunflowers. And we will make 30 such sunflowers, right? Because we have made 30 circles for the sunflower. Now we will do the leaf part and we will have 30 sunflowers at the end. Just secure the yarn like this at the back side. Now next, once I'm done with 30 sunflowers, I will show you how to attach these sunflowers to the blanket. That is the main part, because I hope you guys know how to make sunflower. I'm just letting you know the right size of the sunflower for the bouquet blanket, and this is around 2.5 inches sunflower each. 2 to 2.5 inches, that's it, not bigger than that. And 2 inches is also sufficient. This is 2.5 inches. Now I am doing my blanket, so I am using beige color in the blanket, just showing you few stitches of the blanket as well. Blanket is in progress, and this is the starting. This blanket alone took me 7 hours, 7 complete hours, and I think remaining 5 or 6 hours these sunflowers took me to make. So let me complete this blanket and I'll meet you once I'm done with the leaves. I'm done with the leaves. I have used dark green color because this was my customer's requirement. And now we will just cut small pieces of the yarn and we will pass it through the sunflower back side, the green part, and then we will attach it like this. In the leaf, we will just pull the thread around the leaves and we will just make 3 tight knots, just like we did for the rose blanket. Here also we will attach the sunflowers like this and make 3 tight knots, just like this. So we will leave every 2 leaves, and in every 3rd leaf we will attach the sunflower. So just like this, we are done with the sunflower. Thank you for watching.